Hey guys! Oh my god, I haven't been on YouTube in so long. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Like, I'm nervous. What's up? Like, where y'all been? What y'all doing? Oh, where I've been, right? Duh. We'll save a life update for another video. Anyways, I did my hair today. I ain't no hairstylist. I ain't no beauty guru, you know. I just do things my way. And that's it. I'm just taking y'all with me. So, if you like my hair and you want to see how I did it, then stay tuned. Just stay here. You don't gotta go anywhere. Just stay here. So, I had a wig from Wig Dealer and I had cut off the frontal and I bought a new one. The frontal that you see right here, I bought this frontal from Yearssse So Fab because I needed a frontal quickly, and Yearssse So Fab, I live in New York, and Yearssse So Fab, I think they have 2 locations. One is in Brooklyn, one is in New Jersey. Either way, when I order from Yearssse So Fab, that should come the next day. So yeah, I needed that. Anywho, yeah. The Wig Dealer wig that I had, it was like a little old or whatever case may be, and the frontal was just not eating anymore. Like, the frontal was looking kind of crazy, so I had to replace it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm bleaching the knots on my Yearssse So Fab wig. I'm bleaching the knots on my Yearssse So Fab frontal so that I can attach it to my Wig Dealer wig. So yeah, I told y'all I'm not really no professional, but this is just how I do it. You know, everybody do things a little differently. This is just how I do it. I feel like I do my hair different every time I do it, but who cares? It gets done. All right. Anyways, after I put the bleach on, I let it sit for, I want to say like 30 minutes, but then I checked on it and it wasn't bleached enough, so I probably left it for another 30. But a lot of people do this differently. This part, a lot of people do it differently. Like, a lot of people keep the original frontal on and then they will like shave off the hair and then match up the new frontal and then sew it on and then cut the old frontal off. Like, it just sounds like a lot, don't it? Yeah, that's just a little too much for me. Like, I feel like I'm really good at math and measurements, so I really didn't need to do all of that. I have a wig head too, and I could have did it on the wig head, but I don't know, like, this is just how I wanted to do it, you know what I mean? So I just matched the frontal up with the wig, and I just sewed it on like that. I just started from the middle and I went down the right side, and then I went down the left side when I was done. I just started in the middle and I went from side to side, and yeah. That's the final look. That's how it looked after I sewed the frontal on. It looked good. It looked good. It's stitched and sturdy. And then I had to put my little wax stick on the edges, because before I pluck the frontal, I like to just try to lay all the hairs back first. So I'll be putting my little wax stick, and then I put the little hot comb just to push everything back. I don't need nothing in my way clearing my vision. Like, I'm already blind. Like, I already have to wear glasses. Even though y'all don't be seeing me with my glasses on, I wear glasses. So it's like, I already can't see. So I'm just going to lay this shit back so it could be a little better for me, you know? Instead of having flyaways all over the place. And then I get the pluckety plucking. I am not arrogant Tay, nor am I Jonathan, so I have never been able to pluck that shit to the point where it really looked like scalp. But what I do is just like pluck it so the front just is a little lighter. Yearssse So Fab is a good hair brand, so I really didn't feel like I had to do much. I just had to like customize it to my liking. because, you know, a lot of frontals come with like the boxy head vibe, and I don't got a boxy head. I got like an oval head, so I just had to, you know, make my adjustments, you know, make it to my liking. Not too much though, because plucking really is mad work and it's mad annoying actually. Like it really is mad work and it's mad annoying. Like if I could pay somebody to pluck my wigs for me, I probably would do that. Like I would do everything else, just pluck the shit for me. Anyways, see, this is what I'm talking about, rambling. Let me shut up. Never mind, I'm not gonna shut up. Anyways, it don't look like I plucked nothing, don't it? Also let me tell y'all, my camera kept dying throughout this process. So if you see the quality of the video change, that's why. My camera died and I had to use my phone. Then it was good again. Then I used my camera again. Then it ran out of storage and I had to use my phone. I was switching between my phone and my camera back to back. So if you see the quality of the difference, if you see the difference in quality, y'all know what I mean. If you see the difference, don't mind. Anyways, I'm cutting off my ear tabs because the ear tabs got to get cut off, you know? I got a little ass head. These frontals be dumb long. Like, this is what I mean, though. I plucked it, but it was still giving me like a boxy vibe. So I parted off the little boxy part, made it a little more round, and I used my razor thingy and just shaved that off. Like, just get that out of here. And then I went in with the glue. That glue that I'm using, that little tiny bottle right there, that's Erica J Hold Me Down glue. I usually use like one layer of that, and then I use another layer of like a different glue. I don't know why I always use two different glues. I should probably just stick with one glue, but I don't know. It's just a habit. I've been doing it for a long time. I be putting the Erica Hold Me Down glue first. And then when that layer dries, I'll put like the kiss glue. I'll put a little something in there so y'all know what I'm talking about. But I'll be using the kiss glue second. After this layer dries and stuff like that, you're gonna see I have to kiss one. Y'all see that pimple? That pimple been pissing me off. I really don't be getting acne like that, so that shit really pissed me off. Anyways, I didn't feel like using a blow dryer, so I just used my little fan that I got from a bookend. I tried to show y'all the glue, but oh, that's crazy. It squirted out on my forehead. Pause. See? That's the kiss glue though. Anywho, yeah, this is the second layer. So I'm just laying it down, blending it in, waiting for it to turn clear. When I put the second coat on, I really don't put as much as I put on the first coat because I really don't like too much glue. Like, I don't like too much glue on my bean. Like, it's just, I don't know. So I only do 2 layers for real. If I plan on taking that shit off, I only do 1. Anyways, I dry it till it's clear enough. And I lay that hoe down. let me tell you something. My mom introduced me to the Tymo hair straightener, and I am in love. I use that shit on my real hair, on my wigs. I use that shit on everything. Like, it just makes straightening your hair so much easier. So I use that shit for this whole process. Oh, and when y'all see me jamming, yeah, I was listening to some shit. I don't know. Like, out of nowhere, you gonna see me start tweaking. I started tweaking out of nowhere. I was listening to some shit, alright? So I straighten both sides, then I have to throw my bio silk in there, because that's really like the finishing touch. Like, that really gives the smooth, silky, body to body kind of vibe. So had to throw that in there. I know a lot of people use a lot of different methods when it comes to cutting the lace off. A lot of people use like the eyebrow razor, to cut their lace off. And I tried it, and frankly, it's just not my style. Like, I don't know. Like, I just can't get jiggy with it. Like, a lot of people be doing it, and they be cutting themselves, or like it just cuts really easy for them, or it cuts really hard. I don't know. But for me personally, it just never works for me. Anyways, I know y'all see all of that white, but it's alright. We about to fix that right now. Once I put the little melting spray, lay it back down, then I put my little complexion razzle dazzle, vibe to it, then we good. We gonna be good. It look crazy now, but we gonna be good. Trust the process. See what I told you. Trust the process. You see that side versus that side? You see that side versus that side? Come on. I know what to do. Now let's get into these baby hairs. I'm not gonna lie, baby hairs are my favorite, but also my least favorite part of doing a wig install. Like, the baby hairs really make the wig eat down. The baby hairs really gonna do it every time. The edges are gonna edge, but doing them when you're like a perfectionist, so you want it to look a specific way, is annoying. Like, it takes so long, because it's like, all right, sometimes you cut off. Sometimes I'll be cutting like the hair on one side be longer than the hair on the other side, and it's like, if I cut it to match it up, it'd be too short, and it just be too much going on. Like, the edges can get real tricky. But one thing about me, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna take my time, and I'm just gonna do it to my liking. Frankly, I don't even care if it's even or not. As long as I like the way it looks, it's gonna get, you feel me? It's gonna do what it gotta do. So y'all just, oh, my camera died. See, y'all see the difference in the quality? My camera died, so I had to use my phone. And now you see this little red piece right here? That's my tripod. Piece of my tripod that I didn't even know was showing, which is annoying the hell out of me. This is why. But it's alright. I ain't gonna stress about it. I ain't gonna stress. Because that's not the point. The tripod is not the point of the video. See, I'm drawing away the attention from the real thing. Y'all see me laying the edges though. Anyways, I could not find my mousse. And I did not feel like going outside because beauty supply store is not closed. So I just went ahead with some little edge control. I never, ever put edge control on my wigs. Like, anytime I do edges on a wig, I use mousse. I use edge control on my real hair. But I didn't have none. I didn't have no mousse. So I had to make it work. Anyways, I only put edge control on like the top, just to like lay the hair down in the direction that I wanted to. And I use like whatever axis from the edge control. I just used that as I was like combing down, just to, lay it a little bit. I don't know what it is with me and this little swirly swirl at the top on the side of the edges. Like, I don't know what it is about the little swirly swirl. I love so much. I just gotta do it every time. I gotta do the swirly swirl. Like, it's just cute. I like it. But yeah, it's taking me like 4,500 minutes to do these edges. And honestly, if y'all was to skip this part, I wouldn't even be mad. I'm lying. I would be mad. But I wouldn't be mad for real. Anyways. Yeah, I had to go in with a little bit of spray too, just to hold it down. Like, P.O.P., hold it down. You gotta hold it down. Because sometimes the edges just do what they want. So I gotta use a little spray and a little edge control. Because I did not have my original, products. I didn't have no mousse. If I had the mousse, I wouldn't have had to do all of this. This would have been done much quicker. Let me stop crashing it. All right, girl, 400 years later, let's see the edges. Okay, all right, okay, that's cute. I see you. It looked different on both sides, but it's all right, because who cares? Bye-bye. That's cute. 8 down here, let's put a little nom 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 nom, a little nom 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 nom. And finally, we seal the deal. Okay, y'all, my hair is done. Let me give y'all a little spinny spin. A little spinny spin. Ah, 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 ah. I had a lot of fun making this video. I'm not gonna lie. I had a lot of fun. Making content is always fun. It's just the editing and posting that be getting me. I don't know. This is why I can't do videos, because I be rambling. And I have to go through this shit and figure out which part I need to put in and which part I need to take out because I talk too much. Anyways, this concludes the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you would like to see more of me, give me a like or a comment and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.